It is a boy Dorothy Awilo, and we dey Lagos City. Today we dey one of the bigger church, and we want to ask people. We are in December. In December they talk about the birth of Jesus Christ. Many things they celebrate Jesus Christ. So we want to ask the Christians what they know about Jesus Christ. Merry Christmas in advance. Let's go and see what people have to say. Where was the country or state where they born Jesus Christ?
Nazareth.
Nazareth. Are you sure?
Sure.
Where can we find that in the Bible?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. Thank you. Where they born Jesus Christ?
The born Jesus Christ for Bethlehem. Bethlehem. I beg, calm down first.
Okay, calm down.
Calm down.
Yes.
This question they ask myself, I couldn't ask myself because me the story where you send me out the year. I want to hear and play. Now where that born me, I know.
But this is Jesus Christ now. You're supposed to know.
I supposed to know. Is my father now.
Is your father? Thank you. Merry Christmas in advance. Where they born Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ. Jesus,
Oh yeah.
the Bethlehem.
5,000. Where?
Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Yes.
Congratulations. Nice one. Okay, where can we find that in the Bible?
For Genesis.
Genesis. Oh my God. Oh yeah, Genesis what?
Chapter verse 1.
Anyway, you try. Congratulations. Okay, where they born Jesus Christ?
Galilee.
Galilee. Okay. Where can we find that in the Bible?
Sir?
Where can we find that in the Bible?
I don't know.
You don't know. Happy Sunday and Merry Christmas in advance. Where they born Jesus Christ?
In Bethlehem.
In Bethlehem. Good. Where can we find that in the Bible?
You find it in Isaiah 9 verses.
Where?
Isaiah 9 verses.
Isaiah 9
verses.
verses. Okay, can you bring that out?
Yes, I can.
Oh yeah, do it now. Let's see.
All right.
We are Dorothy, Awilo. Awilo. Oh yeah, Dorothy, Awilo. Yeah. Awilo.
Unto us a child is born.
Yes.
Unto us a son is given.
Mm-hmm.
And the government shall be upon his shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
And his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor.
Mm-hmm.
The Mighty God.
Mm-hmm.
The Everlasting Father.
Yeah.
The Prince of Peace.
Yeah.
That is
But this does not say where they're born now. This does not say where they're born now.
It's talking about the Christ.
Yeah,
the
it's talking
coming of
about the Christ, about the
And
where
that's
they're
what
born
it
now.
is. Where they born is.
Where they're born
You
now.
mean the place gone?
You say Bethlehem, or there's anything like Bethlehem here. That's what I mean. Well, you try. You try.